Hi, my name is Samya Sharma. I am currently pursuing my BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, and I had the wonderful opportunity to be a part of the Data Science Internship by UnifiedMentor. This internship has helped me to build a strong foundation in Python programming, covering all the key concepts such as data, types, variables, and functions, along with the hands-on experience using essential libraries like NumPy and Pandas for the data manipulation. Another key highlight was getting introduced to Tableau, where I explored how to create impactful data visualizations, dashboards, and draw insights from data in a visually appealing way. Under this internship, I worked on 4 major projects, each of which added a new dimension to my learning. First, Instagram fake account detection. In this, I developed a classification model using random forest to distinguish between real and fake accounts. Second, Netflix data analysis. In this, I cleaned and explored Netflix data using pandas and seaborn, uncovering trends like country-wise, content distribution, and rating spectrum. Third, YouTube channel performance analysis. Here I applied regression models to predict revenue and engagement rates based on various video metrics. Fourth, road accident data. This project focused on analyzing causes and outcomes of the road accident using real-world government data. Lastly, this internship helped me not to improve just my technical skills, but also my ability to handle data end to end, from cleaning and processing to modeling and visualization. I now feel more confident working on data-driven projects. I would like to sincerely thank UnifiedMentor for putting in tremendous efforts to make this internship both beginner-friendly and impactful. I am truly grateful for this amazing learning journey. Thank you.